Hey guys, today I will be making pigment slime. So I've got my clear glue, I've got my saline solution, I've got my baking soda, heavy, and I've got, of course, my pigments, and then I have more pigments, but I just wanted to pick color out of there. I have my spatula, and I have my measuring spoons. So let's get started. So first I will be adding clear glue. It makes a weird sound. Okay. Got this. So pour it into this 3/4 cup. We won't fill it up all the way. Just a little bit. Is it? So it looks like that's good. Pour. Okay. Then we get our spatula and we've got to get the glue out of the measuring spoon. I'm using a measuring spoon to make sure I get exactly as much clear glue as I need. So I think that's about all of it. Next. Okay, so next, let me close this real quick. Okay. So now put this over there. Okay. Next, our pigment's coming. I'm going to do this yellow. Yellow, that's it. This is the color I chose. It looks like it has sparkles in it. I'm excited. I've made pigment slime a couple times before. It looks cool how it splatters on the thing. Close it. We might have to put in more, but
she made a peaches red and blue, and I forgot what's happened.
Okay, so we might need more.
And it's green. That's the last one.
We actually are probably going to need more pigment in this slime. No, stop it, Austin. Okay, so I'm just gonna add 2 more sprinkles like this. Okay, ready? It's not coming out. There, 2. Okay, put that over there and mix. I'm gonna show you what we've got so far. Do I finish mixing?
That's another Tinkerbell green.
No, just yellow. So this is what we've got. This is what we have so far. I don't know if you can see it, but it is actually really pretty. So all we need to do is activate now. So let's get our baking soda right here. Take our handy measuring spoon. We're not going to put a lot because, some of my slimes, when I put a lot of baking soda, it gets all messed up. So I'm only going to put a little bit. Dab. Okay, good. Okay, mix. It's not activating yet. The baking soda has like the thickness. I I have tried to not put baking soda in, and your slime just gets watery, and it's just like a waste of saline solution. So I'm going to take out my saline solution, open it, put it in 1 tablespoon. Takes a while. Only a little comes out at a time. Go faster. Oh my gosh. Go faster. That's probably good for now. Okay. Now we mix and it should be coming together. And after we mix, we need, but it's coming together, but I mean, it's still not slime. You know? I think I might have to put more saline solution in. I didn't put all that.
Actually, I haven't touched it, so I don't know.
So this is what we have so far. Pretty. Okay. Done. Okay. So that's what I've got. Okay. Let's see. I really hope this doesn't overactivate. Because it doesn't look like it's going to overactivate. I don't know if it's overactivating. It might just be like... Okay. Let's see. No! So I think we have to put a little more saline solution. Okay, this might be enough saline solution, but right now I'm going to pour out this slime and try doing this by myself, I guess. Okay, gosh. Okay, this was a bad idea to pour out the slime. A very bad idea. Okay, now at least you can see the slime, but I mean, it's pretty. Let's see if I can move this so you can see the slime more than me. Okay, that did not work. Let's try again.
Okay, but we need to put your
I've
hair
got to move this.
up.
So
You have to put your hair up.
kind of sticky, but you know.
No, I don't know.
Okay, let's just get more of the slime out. Oh my gosh. This is hard. Let's get this slime out. Okay. Oh gosh.
I'll help you.
No, that's not what I need. I need a spatula. Because it scrapes the slime off the side. This is a little hard. Oh gosh. That was a bad idea. Oh no. Okay, hand time. This is not my favorite part. That might be my favorite part, but I don't know. Okay. Let me see. I'm going to take all of this. It's like really sticky right now, so if you were at my house, I would recommend not touching this. So.
And why are you touching it?
Okay, so now I've got to mix with my fingers. Because all of the saline solution is at the bottom of the oops and the oops. Okay, so I like the color a lot. It's really pretty. I love the yellow. Okay, now we need to get the saline solution into the slime. It's not sucking it up. Okay, yeah, this is really sticky. Don't ever touch this. Okay, what did I do? I wish when I put the saline solution on it, it just soaks up automatically when I want it to.
Hey, ow, that hurt.
Stop. Okay. Yeah, let's see if this is enough. I really hope this doesn't get overactivated because I love the color of this a lot. I love it. Love the color. Okay, I think it's getting there. Just needs a little more kneading because yeah, no. Okay. Really pretty. Beautiful. Okay, it's sticky though. So many things don't like it about it. Mix, mix, mix. Oh gosh. Sticky. Okay. Gosh. Okay, so this type of slime, it usually takes a while to knead when you have clear glue, even if you have like this pigment slime. If you use clear glue, it takes like a while to get kneaded. So, oh my gosh. Let's see what I did.
White.
Oh, it's pretty because I don't have one. Okay. And you can't make pigment slime with white, so.
It looks like water.
Don't open it, please.
I need to drink it.
Okay. Now, while I'm getting it off my fingers, okay, gosh, okay, so it's a little sticky, but I think it could get a little more sweet in solution. You know?
Oh, Austin, stop.
Our lights are off. They're blinking. They're about to die.
4, 3.
Okay, gosh. So it's getting less sticky, but now it's kneading time. Let's see if I can make a slime swirl this thing. It's very beautiful. It's super stretchy. Oh gosh, it's a little too stretchy.
She's not doing this in fast motion, by the way.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like it.
Yeah, it's just super stretchy that it stretches by itself, and I don't want it to. So there's the beautiful slime swirl that is stuck to my fingers. Okay. Let's get this off the spatula now. Okay, let's see. Let me get all the swimming solution off the placement.
She's going to make another slime video, probably.
Okay. I like that. That's good. Okay, I made a bubble.
I'm trying to get inside the bubble.
Cool. Okay, and we already tested slime swirl, so this is actually a pretty good slime. I love it. The color is really pretty. I love the color so much. It's like a really sparkly neon yellow. I think you can see.
Another slime in this video?
No. Okay, so let me see. So I think I actually put the right amount of baking soda in it because it is actually really good slime.
Yeah, she thought she was going to mess it up, but she didn't. Oh,
Okay, so we I wish you could touch this because it's really stretchy, squishy. It is so pretty, and I just love it. I just love it so much. The only thing about it that I don't like is that it's a little sticky, but that's okay. I kind of like sticky slimes because when it's sticky, it actually, you can make it be stretchier and stuff. So I'm going to leave it sticky. But if it gets too sticky where it melts, I can always add more solution. I don't know why it says put Okay, so I think I still have some slime in here, so I might as well get that
She's
out.
done.
Okay, so let's get this out of here and put it in the big one.
By the way, this is the one that she used.
That's the yellow. And I love the shininess because pigment usually makes slime shiny. To me, I think it is. So, there and there. That one was a little dry. That piece was a little dry. Okay. That's okay, I guess. Okay, no, that was not okay. Actually. Okay, let's just put that to the side because it's a little dry. I mean,
Yeah. Wait, I don't know what you said.
so I love the pokey noises. Really good. The bubbles are really good. That one just popped. Okay. Yeah, bubbles are really good. It just popped that time. Not my fault. So, I love the slime swirls. They're really pretty. And the color is
Wait, I
just...
love the balls. I just made a ball.
And the color is just beautiful. And
But
I
it's
love
really
it
sticky,
so...
kind of.
And I love the colors so much, like so much. It's so pretty. So, that is going to be the end of our video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And until next time,